Well, good morning and welcome to Risky Bits, a YouTube exclusive new program from Defensible Risk. My name's Dan, and I'm really grateful that you're here hanging out with us this morning. I want to tell you a little bit about myself, a little about what we're trying to accomplish with Risky Bits, and we'll see how it goes. Now, I will say this is a work in progress. This is our first live episode. We actually got the live to work right, so I'm pretty grateful for that. And beyond that, we'll see how it goes. Everything is up for tweaking and adjustment and whatnot. And as we do this more and more, we'll get the hang of it. I think it'll be a good time. So again, my name is Dan. I'm a Chief Information Security Officer for a hospitality organization in the Northern California, Northern Nevada region, and I wanted to and a Twitch streamer. Honestly, if you look up in that corner there. Twitch.tv/Defensible Risk is really the best place to find me. But I wanted to do something a little different that's YouTube exclusive. So the plan is we're going to do 3 to 5 minutes roughly, trying for every morning. Not this late in the day. This is a little later than I wanted, and I'm not thrilled with the background that we've got, but we'll figure it out again as we go. I wanted to bring 3 things into your day. An encouragement, a positive thought, an affirmation, something along those lines, a cybersecurity related topic to spend some time thinking about. We're probably going to do a weekly theme is what I'm thinking, so Monday we'll introduce a topic, and then we'll just talk about it a little bit as we go throughout the week. And then, well, what would life be without a little humor? So a cybersecurity related joke or IT related joke. So that's sort of the short version. Let me give my little plug here. My name is Dan. We're at Defensible Risk on Twitter, defensiblerisk@protonmail.com if you'd like to email me securely, defensiblerisk.com for an archive of our technical and cybersecurity related content, and of course twitch.tv/defensiblerisk. And we're here on YouTube, so if you haven't had the chance, how does the YouTube speak go? Smash that subscribe button and make sure you ring the bell for notifications or something like that. So our cybersecurity topic for this week, and again, I just realized it was going to be a weekly thing. We're going to run through the CIS the Center for Internet Security, Critical Security Controls, one in a week. Easy peasy. So we're not going to dive too in-depth into it this morning. We're just going to introduce the topic, briefly talk about it, and we're going to keep moving. Again, the plan here is 3 to 5 minutes, so we want to be mindful of that, of your time. But I'm just thrilled that it's working today. So critical security control number 1 is inventory and control of hardware assets. Hardware assets are where everything gets done, right? Software is important. We'll talk more about that at another time. But hardware, without the hardware, there is no software. So knowing what you have, knowing what's allowed on your network and what's not supposed to be on your network will put you so far ahead of the game, which is why it is critical security control number 1. We'll talk more about that as we go through the week. Now, positive thought, your daily affirmation, your daily encouragement, something like that. One positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. How about that? Something you don't really think about, right? A lot of times, particularly in cybersecurity, we wake up and go, oh, here we go again. Regardless of what it is, here we go again. Sometimes it's we're worried about hackers, sometimes we're worried about our users, sometimes we're worried about our budget and our management, whatever it happens to be. We start the day and we're like, oh, I just got to bed and I got to do it all over again. It doesn't have to be like that. To find one positive thing to grab a hold of and chew on that. Just let that work its way through you. It really can change your whole day. And then I promised you a joke. So let's give you a joke. What does a networking SEAL say? I don't know if we're live anymore or not. I just got an error on the screen. It looks like we might still be live. Fingers crossed. So what does a networking SEAL say? ARP, ARP, ARP. If you've ever done any networking, that'll be funny. If you're not, you're like, what the heck is wrong with this guy? So that's where we're at. Thank you for joining us for our very first ever Risky Bits program exclusively on YouTube. I hope the tech worked. We're going to find out. But thank you for being here. Thank you for checking us out. I really do appreciate it. Again, my name is Dan. The channel is called Defensible Risk. The show is called Risky Bits. Best way to find me, right here on YouTube. or twitch.tv/defensible risk. Thanks for your time, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.